Today is part 3 of our series on protecting your organization's security and privacy. My name is Steve Newman, and I'm a sales engineer at Sweetbriar. Today we'll be covering the Security Center. The Security Center has 3 primary sections: the Security Health page, the Security Dashboards, and the Security Investigation tool. In this section, we'll cover how to use the Security Health page to review security policies. We'll cover how to filter these policies to search for a specific application and review recommendations. From the control panel, we'll select Security, Security Center, Security Health. This page shows security policies from across Google Workspace, all in one location. You can see the policy name, its current status, and recommendations regarding the policy. Click Add Filter to filter these policies. We can choose Has Recommendation, Configured Securely, or Application. We'll filter by application. We'll choose Gmail, select Apply. Here you can see the Gmail settings. Policies with the green check mark are configured as Google recommends. Click the green check mark at the top. There is a secure configuration. Now, automatic email forwarding does not have a green check mark. Select the recommendation box. You can see there is a recommendation to disable automatic forwarding. If we actually select the setting name, it'll take us directly to the Gmail settings page. We can select the edit icon if we want to change the setting. The Security Dashboard page provides multiple dashboards regarding potential threats across the organization. In this section, we'll explore the File Exposure Report and how the information it provides can be used to launch a security investigation. Select Dashboard. Here we can view just a subset of the available dashboards. Click View Report on the File Exposure Report to learn more about this activity. On the full report page, file exposure is listed out by type: anyone in the domain, internal, private, anyone with the link, or external. If we select a data point, we can see more details. Here we can see the number of shares by type. If we scroll down, the table shows detailed information regarding the file sharing activity, including a direct link to the file itself. Now we will show you how you can pivot directly from a dashboard into the investigation tool. The Security Investigation tool facilitates the identification and remediation of security threats within the audit log activity. This tool is integrated into other components of the admin console to streamline the investigation process. In this section, we'll explore both a Drive and email investigation. We're back in the File Exposure Report from the previous section. Next to the table and each file, there's a search icon. Click the icon to pivot into the investigation tool. Now we are in the investigation tool. It is already pre-populated with the search attributes from the File Exposure Report. If we scroll down, we can see the search results. Here are all the files matching our search parameters. We can select an individual file or multiple files to take action. Let's select the checkbox to select all files. Now we'll select Actions. Here you can see all of the actions that are available. We want to know how these files are shared, so we'll select Audit File Permissions. Here we can see the file sharing permissions. We can select individual files or multiple files to take action. Across the top, you can see you have multiple options: people, shared drives, and link sharing. The current file, we can see an external user has access. We can select the drop-down next to the external user's name. We'll select Remove Access to remove him from the file. We can see he's been removed. In the bottom left, select Save. At the bottom, you'll notice Drive Action Complete. The user has been removed from the file. If we want to start a new search, we can hit the plus icon in the top right. Select the drop-down. Here you can choose from different log types. I have pinned my most frequently used logs to the top for easy access. We'll select Gmail log events. Now we'll add a condition. Now I've pre-filled the attributes here. So we're looking for spam classification is phishing. We'll go ahead and hit search. We can see there's one result for a phishing email. If we hit the three dots next to the sender's email address, we have the option to pivot into a new search. We'll go ahead and pivot into Gmail log events. Our search is pre-populated with that sender. If we search again, we can select an individual message or multiple messages and take action. Select all messages. Now select the Actions button. Here we can see the available actions. We may want to delete all messages or mark them as phishing. Or we can investigate an individual message. If we select an individual message, here we can see the message header details. We can also view the message itself by selecting Message at the top. This is for audit purposes, so you can put in why you're looking at this message. We put in Confirm Phishing, and we'll confirm. Here we can see the message itself, and we can easily determine that it is a phishing attempt. At the bottom, we'll select Delete Message to delete this message. Now, after we've deleted the message, you can see at the bottom, the message has been deleted. Now, there's a couple things we may want to do with this search. You can see we're on search 3, so we've had multiple searches today. We may want to come back and continue these same searches. We have the option to save the investigation on the right-hand side. This will let us come back and pick up where we left off. Or at the top, you can create a custom chart, and then this custom chart will show up in the dashboard section. That concludes our demonstration of the Google Workspace Security Center. We hope this video was helpful, and thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about the Security Center or Google Workspace in general, please reach out to Sweetbriar.